Hi, and welcome to Backroad Sights. I'm Hank, your host. And currently we are at the Holloman Lake Air Force camping area or recreation, BLM land. There's a lot of lightning going on. I'm hoping to catch some for you. But we have a free spot on this lake with it was nicer a little bit ago, the sunset. And now we have lightning going off in the distance. There we go. Hoping there's going to be some good storm tonight, someone can see. Hopefully while we're here, we'll get to see some jets flying by because the runway and everything for the Air Force Base is right on down that way. We got ourselves setting up right here. I think it's going to be a good spot to stay. There's no one else here. That's as long as we're in the right place. But White Sands National Park is right up the road. Can't wait to go up there and see all the white sand. Plus I'm looking to go over to the visitor center at the Air Force Base. They got a whole bunch of jets there. Wouldn't mind taking a look at. Hoping to get another piece of lightning here. But it's a spectacular view. I'm so glad we came here. Our plans changed. We were going to San Lorenzo Canyon, but made a wrong turn at Albuquerque. Old folks will get that. And we ended up down here at White Sands instead. I think this was a good choice. Hi, we're here in the morning. We got here last night at Lake Holloman. The Air Force Base is down the road here. We're in the area of White Sands, New Mexico. That's the Air Force Base behind us way over there. We're all by ourselves here boondocking. It's beautiful. We got our lake. We've had a great sunset. We had great thunder and lightning last night. It was beautiful. Now we're going to go out and enjoy the White Sands National Park. I hear that's incredible to see. A few things about the campground. No services. This is true boondocking. We're only a few miles into town, so if you need water, propane, gas, anything like that, it's not too far away. It's pretty convenient. It's only a few minutes into town in the Air Force Base, so it's not that bad. We'll show you the White Sands later on today. Just give you a view around the place. The American flag, hoping the Fly Boys will see it, give us a show. All right, that's it for now. This looks pretty cool. Here at White Sands National Park, it is otherworldly. So amazing to see. The sand actually feels like talc. Once it leaves your hand, it leaves back a little residue like talc. The place is so cool. crazy. This is amazing. The dunes. It's like you're on another planet. Chuppy tickles his nose. Yep. Tickles his nose. It kind of feels like you're on another planet. It's crazy. Oh, he's loving life. Wow. You get the mountains way off. And over there, that's towards Arizona. Hey, I'm here for sunset. Oh my goodness. My buddy's running like a madman. Yeah, I think he likes it here. Anyway. Oh, this place is just unreal. So incredible to see. This is a must stop on your bucket list. Yeah. A side note, the sand is very cool. It reflects back all the light and does not seem to get hot. You don't want to walk on the crystally sand, but the softer sand is great to walk in. So the sunset was awesome. Seems like it's pretty close behind me. But some cool things. The sand doesn't stick. So my feet, it just doesn't stay on. That was terrible. But yeah, it doesn't stick to you. It's a little baby scorpion. Teeny little sucker. You see him with the ultraviolet light. Pull yours back a little bit. I want to soft. And there he goes, really green. That's a little baby one. So we can get him to move for you.
No, because he might run towards us.
But to give you a clue how big he is, you can see the little teeny pebbles down there. But he's teeny.
Wait, do you have like a dime or something to throw down there? In comparison?
Quarter.
That'll work.
Oh, car.
You can pick it up after.
Mm-hmm. So that is a quarter. I just put down that black dot in comparison to the size of the scorpion. He's a little guy.
It looks like a lobster.
Let
Or
me
a
bet.
crawdad.
Yep. All right.
I can't believe you found one. Careful, baby, careful.
You know what they say, the smaller the scorpion, the more powerful the venom.
Do they?
Yeah.
And let go. Oh, wait. No, you're still on him. I'm like, oh, wait, he still goes.
No, he's gone.
Gone. And he hasn't moved a bit.
Yeah. Take it off. See? He's there, now he's gone. So I got to see the Jets every day, not on the weekend. There's another one. There's two.
Keep doing a big circle.
Yeah.
Looks like he's going up.
Yeah. There you are, bitch. I hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.